Hi, today we are going to learn various tricks and we will play with the number which will make our calculation quite fast for today's competitive world. So let's start it. Fast calculation trick. So first concept we are going to learn that sum of a two-digit number and its digit interchange number. Then second concept we will learn the difference between a two-digit number and its digit interchange number. Then we will club these two concepts in a single one, that is the sum and the difference of a two-digit number and its digit interchange number. Okay. So first concept, the sum of a two-digit number and its digit interchange number. Let's say the two-digit number is 24. So when we will interchange this digit, it will become 42. So we have to find the sum of 24 and 42. So whenever we see any two-digit number and its digit interchange number, we always write it as 11 into sum of the digit. So here, what is the sum of the digit? That is 2 plus 4, 6. So 11 into 2 plus 4, that is 6. So 11 into 6 is equal to 66. So 66 will be our answer. Okay, another example like 54 plus 45. So here also the digit and its digit interchange number, we have to find its addition. So again we will do 11 into sum of the digit, that is 5 plus 4, that is 9. 11 into 9, that is 99 is our answer. Okay. Another concept, difference between a two-digit number and its digit interchange number. So let's say 24 and digit interchange number is will be 42. So we have to find the difference between 24 minus 42. So how we will do it? Look, in case of addition, there is no issue of sign because the result will always be positive. But in case of subtraction, that sometimes the result will be positive and sometimes the result will be negative. So the sign of the larger number will be the sign of the solution or the answer. Here, what is the larger number? Larger number is 42. So what is its sign? Its sign is negative. So our answer will always be negative. So now we have to find the difference between 24 and 42. So always in this case we take 9 into difference between the digit. So here the difference between the digit is 2. 9 into 4 minus 2, that is 2. 9 into 2, that is 18. The result will be minus 18. Let's say 73 minus 37. So here we are doing the subtraction part, but in this subtraction part, which is the greater number? The greater number is 73. The 73 is carrying positive sign with it, so our result will be positive. Now how to subtract it? So in case of subtraction, we always take 9 into difference between the digit. So here the difference between the digit is 7 minus 3, that is 4. So it will be 9 into 4, that is plus 36. Okay. Now we will see the application, that we have learned this concept, but what is its application, how the questions will be there in the examination. So if the question is like this, that you have to add 68 plus 86, 74 plus 47, 59 plus 95 and 62 plus 26. So when you will go with the traditional way, that you will start adding 68, then 86, then the sum you will add it with 74, then the sum you will add it with 47. It will take a long time to solve, but in today's competitive world you have to be smart enough to solve these type of questions. So how you will solve it? So here we see that all the numbers are given in its interchanged form, like 68 plus 86. So here you will do the 11 into sum of the digit, that is 68 plus 86, then 11 into sum of the digit, that is 74 plus 47. So in this case we take 11 as common and we take 68 plus 86, that is sum of the digit is 14. Then we take 74 plus 47, the sum of the digit is 11. Then we take 59 plus 95, that is sum of the digit is 14. Then we take 62 plus 26, that is sum of the digit is 8. So here 11 into 14 plus 11, that is 25. 25 plus 14, that is 39. 39 plus 8, that is 47. 11 into 47. Now how to multiply 11 by 47? In today's lecture we will learn it, but here I am explaining you. Here it's 11, so number of ones here is 2. So we will start with 1 and we will make a group till 2. How? So we will start with the unit digit, that is 7. Then we will make a group of 2. 7 plus 4. Then the remaining 4. So how we will do it? First take 7. Then add 7 plus 4, that is 11. 1 carry is there. then 4 plus this one carry, that is 5. The result is 517. So your answer is C. So by doing this, you will be able to solve this question within 10 to 15 seconds or even faster than that. Okay. The second application, that is the difference between a two-digit number and its digit interchange number. Here we have to find the 68 minus 86 minus 74 plus 47 minus 59 plus 95 plus 62 minus 26. So how we will do it? So here we are witnessing that all the digit are in its interchanged form, and we have to make the subtraction. So we will take 9 as the common, then we will do the operation for 68 minus 86. So it will be 9 into difference between the digit. The difference between the digit is 2, but the result it will carry, that is negative. So we will write here minus 2 because the larger number is 86. So and 86 is carrying the negative sign. Then minus 47 minus 74 plus 47. So here also the result will be negative. So it will be minus 3. Difference between the digit 7 minus 4, that is 3. Here also minus 59 plus 95. But here we are seeing that the result will be positive because the larger number is having the positive sign. So here we will write 9 minus 5, that is 4 plus 4. Here we are seeing 62 minus 26. Here the larger number is positive. So again we will write it here plus 4. So the result will be 9 into minus 2 plus 3 plus 8. So minus 5 plus 8, that is 9 into 3, it's 27. So our answer is C, 27. Okay. Now, if the question in the examination is clubbed on both the concept, that is the sum and the difference both, like our question is 68 minus 86 plus 74 plus 47 plus 59 plus 95 plus 62 minus 26. So how we will do it? So we will just separate the addition part and the subtraction part. So here is the subtraction part. 68 minus 86 is the subtraction part and 62 minus 26 is the subtraction part. And 74 plus 47 is your addition part and 59 plus 95 in addition part. So in addition part, we do the same operation, that is 11 into sum of the digit. So 7 plus 4, that is 11, plus 9 plus 5, that is 14. So it will be 11 into 11 plus 14 plus 9 into difference between the digit. So 8 and 6, 2. But here it will carry the negative sign because larger number is carrying the negative sign. It will be minus 2. Here 6 minus 2, that is 4, and it will carry the positive sign because the larger number is carrying the positive sign. Okay, so it will be 11 into 25 plus 9 into 2. So it will become 275 plus 18. How I wrote it here? 275, again 5, then 5 plus 2, 7, and then remaining 2, that is 275. So 275 plus 18, that is 293 is our answer. So answer will be C. We will learn some more trick in our next session. Thank you.